Green line, green line, green line. So there is lots of complaint against OnePlus that are having the most green line issues in the market, but they are the only one brand coming up with a primary solution of the green line for the first time. So they are offering the free lifetime screen replacement for all AMOLED display OnePlus phones for the lifetime. So OnePlus has invested 6,000 CR until 2027 for this solution. So they use the unmatched technology called PVX to provide the green line issues in future OnePlus devices, and it works in up to 85 degrees Celsius and 85% of humanity. So zero tolerance about the quality of the OnePlus lifetime warranty issues. So that's why they are providing a lifetime issue warranty, and you can see they're posting also the lifetime warranty. So you have need to visit service center with your phone. If you're facing any kind of green line, with it will replace free of cost until the spare parts is available. And the policy is the all for the OnePlus devices of the authorized service center only. There will be no hidden charges, and in future the previous technology will provide the solutions of lifetime